Hi guys, welcome to another video. This video we're gonna talk about this beautiful Kiritsuke SLD Special Edition. People from TOKUSHU Knife sent it to me. Thank you guys. And well, this is the box that you're gonna receive if you order it. I'm not sure if they'll provide the extra protector plastic. I'm not sure. They sent it to me. Thank you guys again. And pretty sure it doesn't come with saya. So it's just the box. The knife, obviously, some plastic cover to protect it, and very hard plastic also for the tip, which obviously very important. Look at this beauty. Let's do some cutting tests right out of the box. I haven't sharpened or stropping any this knife or doing anything on this knife. This is the way you're gonna receive it. Let's check it out. I prepared some paper here already. Wow. Amazing. Well, this knife is definitely sharp. Look at this beauty. Okay, this is an everyday use knife. If you're a professional chef or not, this knife is definitely for you. This knife is made with SLD steel, and for my understanding, it's a combination of super steel and carbon steel. And just for that, it's gonna require less maintenance, and it's gonna be sharpened longer than other steels. Here's some of the specifications about this beautiful knife, and if you need some more info, you can always find it on tokushuknife.com. Okay guys, let's talk about real life in here. Okay, I don't know if you see my Instagram, but some of you already know that I'm a professional sharpener and a very well-known kitchen supply store in Brooklyn. I am not the person who sells knives in there. I'm just there to sharpen knives, okay? Just to make things clear. But every time, 90% of the time, I would say, that someone comes to the store, I'm looking for a knife, like to get a knife or to buy a knife, they ask the guy who sells the knife, right? The guy who's in charge to provide the information and every detail about the knife that they sell in that store. Even though the guy always, very professional, comment or mention the most important details about the knife that they're asking for, they kind of seems like they really or don't get it, or they just really don't care. Do you guys know what is the only question or the two questions that they ask often or pretty much every time? But this is pretty much what they ask: how often they need to sharpen the knife, and how good or how difficult it is to maintain the blade. Now in this blade, because of the steel that they're using, the SLD, it's gonna give you very beautiful cuts without need to worry about too much of maintenance. Yes, you have to take care of the knife. I always say that in every single video, but with this specific steel, it's gonna be more easy for you to keep it very nice. Okay, it's very simple. When you finish cutting, when you finish using it, wash it, make it dry, and put in a dry place. Let's do some real cutting here. Let's start with this onion. Again, this knife, I haven't sharpened this knife. This is just right out of the box. And okay, let's start using this beauty. Okay. Well, if you guys wondering what we're doing, we're making some guacamole. Let's see if I have any luck with this, guys. Oh, beautiful. Very sharp out of the box. Very sharp. Be careful because I almost cut myself. Super sharp that. Yep, this is not good. Okay, that was not good. Let's check this one. Oh, okay. Beautiful. Again, be careful. Make some diamonds in here. here in the bowl. Well, you guys, you see it, very sharp out of the box. You just wash it up with some water. Paper towel here. Very light, by the way, super light. Very light. And if you guys want to buy this or any other knife, or actually any of the items in their website with 10% discount, use this promo code NYC Sharpening for 10% off in the whole purchase. If you spend over $100, it's gonna be free shipping any part of the USA. Okay, thank you guys so much. I believe this is my favorite knife for now. Again, if you get any of these items in their website with the promo code 10% off, to check it out. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.